Anyways, back to the clothes. I'm really excited about today's video because I haven't had a good haul in a while. I wanted it to be an affordable haul, so I thought it was finally time to try out SheIn. If anyone has used Romwe, then you know kind of the same concept of the store. It's like pretty affordable clothing, and it always says it's like constantly 60% off or something, but I'm like, is that just the price? But the thing with these kind of stores is there's a risk with them fitting you right. A lot of them are actually different from the pictures on the model. And I think that what they do is that like it's just the pictures that they use are from sites that make clothes that they're trying to aspire to. And because a lot of times it's not like the same material, so I'm like, that wasn't what that person was wearing. It's just not. But it's something that they styled after, and a lot of the times looks really dupeable. Like they're good dupes sometimes, and some people have had other experiences with them. So it's good to check the comments and see the sizings, their size charts, and make sure that things fit you. But I just wanted to go and test things out today. So some of these don't have comments yet, don't have like true to size, small, like comments like that, so I could know. So you are going to be here along on the ride with me to try on these clothes, give you my first impression on like the material and what it looks like, and then on the fit. And I'll link all the things that I buy below, so if any of them catch your eye and you want to get one and you like my review on it, go on ahead and click that. This is not sponsored. I know that's like a thing that you have to say on YouTube, I guess. I just bought it with my own money and I wanted these cute clothes and I thought I would share this with you. I went into this shopping journey. My vision was I wanted a couple more cute crop tops because I have a couple, not too many, and it's summertime and I don't really own a lot of summertime clothing in Boston anymore because all of it's in Florida. And you know, I'm melting, but I still want to be stylish and finding it difficult. So I was looking for that as well as a couple of cute business clothes. I am now working at a marketing internship and I love it there, but the dress code is business casual. And I've just come to the conclusion that I own little to no business casual clothing that is cute. So like I have some, but it's not my favorite clothing because business casual clothing is generally not cute. Let's not kid ourselves. But I've spent so much time there and I feel like it really throws me off when I'm wearing clothes that I don't like. I don't feel as confident, I don't feel as like ready for the day, and I want to feel better. And I spend so much time at work that I want to make sure that I don't feel like stifled in being able to express my individuality and like wear clothes that I feel like kind of say who I am and what I find cute, and I'm trying to get to that. So I've been looking at some inspo for business casual clothing that's also cute, and I went through their site and was just looking for that. And I guess know that this decision was not made alone. I had my sister on the line. We were for hours going through this cart because there's just too many options on that site. I really wanted it to be an unboxing, like true to life first impressions. So I wanted to show you guys me opening this for the first time. So I didn't want to cheat, and I haven't seen what's in there. So without any more build up, sorry about that. I just get carried away talking. I'm already so excited. I'm seeing all these prints that I got. So I'm not going to obviously know how they fit yet, but I'll insert some clips of me trying these on as well so you can kind of gauge visually. I like the bags, like maybe one bag would have been cute because I will totally reuse this giant Ziploc, just gotta clean it out. But it's like amazing because if you buy large Ziplocs, I come from a Hispanic family, we reuse everything. Your abuelita is the most like environmentally friendly person out there and they didn't even know. Anyways, back to the clothes. So this first piece I was pretty excited for, so I really hope it fits me well. This leopard crop top. If you know me, you know how in love I am with leopard print. I'm so extra. I even wear a leopard print button down to work. Like, this is my brand and I need to share it across all of my realms of existence. This tank is really cute. I'm not gonna lie, the pattern does look really nice in person, and the material, I did not expect it to be this soft. Like, it's really nice. It's like almost silky, I would say, without like the shininess of silk, but just like really soft and cool. So that's gonna be awesome because no one told me before I moved up here, but Boston summers, and like mind you, I'm from Florida, like I know heat. But this is different because in South Florida, we are all in agreement that AC is just necessary. Like, we will boil otherwise in our own homes. So your house, your car, well, not all the time, like I've been there, but like windows down, some wind hopefully on, just zooming down I-75. That honestly, sometimes you gotta do DIY AC. But you need something, like we acknowledge that. We don't just plan to live in it and just accept the elements. But out here in Boston, I guess, like, I understand. In the winter time, you don't need it to be cold. Like, your house is its own icebox. But AC, it's like nowhere. Like, and if there is AC, you have like, oh, my AC has been on this whole time. I meant to turn it off. I was gonna turn it off for filming so you guys could hear me better. It's turning off, don't worry. But that means I'm gonna melt, so I better be quick. So this tank, very cute, very excited, hope that it fits me well. My main concern is like this gap, like itty bitty titty committee, as you know, that is not our friend. Okay, so the next piece is red, as you may know, my staple color. So this one, I'm already a little bit sad because I was looking in the bag and I could already see loose threads everywhere. There was, it's hard to see them with this clearing light, but there's just some loose threading there that I don't appreciate. But honestly, I'm not entirely someone who like cares too much about that because I will just cut them, like trim them so they don't keep shedding, and I just wear them and make sure not to like throw it in the wash, because if you put it in the washing machine, it will definitely just disintegrate in your hands. But you know, those are the clothes that you wash by hand, and I'm willing to do that because it was really cheap and it looks like it's gonna be really cute. Okay, but look at these pants. They're striped trousers. I'm gonna say right off the bat what's kind of throwing me off. They are kind of transparent, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's something I could show you, but like I could see from one side of the pants to the other through it, which is questionable, but they're cute. They look really soft. And okay, we're gonna just have to see how that fits, and if it fits perfectly and the transparency isn't that obvious, then I'm just gonna go for it. The next thing is, I've been looking for a lot of things that are in this like gingham pattern. This is like a wrap shirt. You can't really tell because it's unwrapped, but you will be able to tell when I put it on. The material's a little bit rough and there are frayed like strings going around, but I think if I trim them and I try it on, maybe it might be fine. Maybe throwing this one in the wash might be good because like it's a little stiff. So maybe that'll soften it out, some fabric softener. I'm not disappointed though, I will say. Okay, the next article of clothing, this one was for the business casual, for sure. It's this shirt, it's like a simple tank with lace and like this little like scallop box. It's just business casual. It's actually the thing I liked the least in my cart, but I wanted to get it because I do need some just plain tops to wear for work, and I don't really have any. Next piece is also the same pattern once again. Ooh, this one I'm pretty sad about. It's like very rough. does not feel good, and not like denim. It just feels like something else entirely. But I just remember not knowing for sure if it was gonna fit me well, but I think it was like on like double sale at the time. A good deal really gets me, but especially when it's something that I've been looking for and is really cute. Definitely have to cut off some little strings, but it has pockets. They're actually pockets. It looks stretchy and comfortable, so hopefully it fits, and it has belt loops, so like if it doesn't totally fit, I can make it fit. After trying it on, I actually fell in love with it. The material is not like denim, but it's actually stretchier and more form-fitting, so I really love it. I'm really excited for this next one. I've been really into cherry printed stuff lately. I'm a fan. Cherries are cute, and they fit in with my red aesthetic that just seems to always call to me. And this is just so cute. I love this style crop top, and to have it in such a cute print, I'm like so excited. It reminds me of like my childhood wearing this kind of, I'm telling you guys, like I've been wearing this material, and like when I was younger, like it wasn't cool, it wasn't that cute or anything, but I wore it. Let's just be honest, it's such a good tube top material. It also came with these shorts, so I have a set, so I can wear this with a cute top, cute little ruffles at the bottom. Just everything about this outfit is so cute, and it was one of my favorite finds. Ooh, yes. I'm a little sad because it does look too big for me, I'm not gonna lie, but it's really cute. And I've been really into the tie front. I've been wearing, if you see on my Instagram, that red and white polka dot shirt that I've worn like a million times. So cute. It's from Primark, but I wanted a tank version, and I also have noticed I don't really own anything plain white because I'm just accident prone, and white is not forgiving for accident prone people or people whose foundation is brown. And we bring in back the little scallop edging. My only concern with this one is how deep the V-neck goes. If the V is too intense, I don't know if it'll fit me without exposing me. But hopefully it will, so I'll have another cute top for work. After actually trying it on, I noticed that honestly the edging of the collar is way too loose and the sleeves are a bit too tight to be comfortable. So this necklace, it has like a choker here, these little black crystals, and then pendant here, and then this necklace is a choker, and it is so cute. I'm very excited to try this on. I would definitely trust them with jewelry. It's like really affordable. It's kind of like, honestly, I view it as buying your jewelry from Forever 21, but for less, because Forever 21 is the same quality. Like, yes, if you're paying $1 for a necklace, it's probably not real gold. You can't make a gold necklace on the budget of $1. So like, yes, you get what you pay for, but personally, it's just like so easy to misplace it that I don't like to invest a lot in a singular piece of jewelry. I've had countless necklaces get like irreversibly just stuck together, especially since I have to travel when I go home and come back. It's just something that's really hard for me to avoid, and I don't think it's worth it. Like maybe when I'm older and a more organized, put together person, like an actual adult, I'll invest in some jewelry, and like when I have that kind of revenue. But like as a college student working as an intern, like I think I'm gonna stick to $1 jewelry for right now. Thanks. Okay, so that is all that I had to show you guys. Overall, I think that it was definitely worth it. This was a good haul. I only spent like $50, and I got all of this stuff that filled so many gaps in my closet. The biggest risks I find with buying things from stores like SheIn or Ramwe is just sizing and material, but if something is drastically horrible, the reviews will show. So if reviews aren't up yet, you know, you can see if it's worth taking a risk. But I'm here to take those risks for you guys and show you how they fit and how these are such cute, stylish pieces that, you know, not all of us have a lot of extra money going through college to spend on giant shopping sprees, but we want to feel cute too. So this is a way to be able to accomplish both of those things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, that you found a couple cute pieces maybe that you would like, that you hadn't found before. Believe me, the SheIn site is wonderful in having so many options, but so easy to get sucked in there and overwhelmed forever because there are just so many categories with so many different clothes. If you've gone on a SheIn or Runway haul and you found cute pieces, like, let me know. Tell me in the comments below. I'm definitely willing to go and get another purchase from SheIn. So, you know, let's share the wealth, honey. We're all in this together. I'm glad to be back making videos. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like below, and you'll be notified when I do make another video. Okay, thanks so much.